Hey guys, Dr. Ben here. Welcome. So excited to talk to you about the process of wanting to be healthy. And this is a crucial part of what we see in patients every single day that are successful. So Dr. Ben here, Functional Medicine Centers, Fort Collins, Colorado, Phoenix, Arizona, soon to be Nashville, Tennessee. So excited to have you guys on today. If this is your first video, like always, go ahead and like or follow our page. Tons of information out there. Over 300 videos on our YouTube page. Lots of information that we like to get out to you guys. So welcome and excited to have you wherever you are. We've got people United Kingdom over the weekend. We've got Philippines, United States, all over the country. So go ahead and pop down below where you are watching from. Love to see you guys. Love to touch base. So here we go. What a process of getting healthy. Hey Debbie, good to see you there. So here it is. Every patient that finds success in our program, they get to that point where they're like, holy cow, I want to be healthy more than anything else. I want to be healthy more than eating that little extra piece of chocolate. Or last night, the Super Bowl. Anybody watch the Super Bowl out there? Give me a thumbs up if you did. Give me a thumbs down if you did and thought it was kind of the halftime show was a little bit odd. Anyways, hey Judy, good to see you. So here we are. We've got to get to where the process of getting healthy is what we truly love. The process of thinking about what we're eating and the process of getting movement and exercise and those 11 things that I posted last week that you need to be doing and every day need to be focusing on to get yourself that health and vitality. Because here's the deal. People know that they shouldn't be eating sugar. People know that they shouldn't be eating out all the time. People know what they shouldn't be doing as far as smoking and drinking and all these things. And yet, guess what happens? That's not going to kill them today. It may not even cause pain or damage today, but we know over time it will. And so many people get stuck in that and just living for the moment. And that is where a lot of this problem is coming from, is people are not looking long-term. People are not thinking about, hey, you know what? I want my vitality improved today, but I definitely want it to where I can enjoy retirement. I can be so much more for my grandkids and for my life and all these things that we need to continually be thinking about the process. There's a great book. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if anybody has read this. It's called Chop Wood, Carry Water. Amazing book, and it talks in detail about the process. And it talks about that it's not just what you do for today and you're just living for today. Hey Marin, good to see you. It's not what we're just trying to get by. We're not just trying to even get to a goal and we want to jump and cheat it to that goal. Your health cannot be cheated to a goal. This is why keto doesn't get people healthy. This is why doing the HCG diet doesn't get people healthy, because it's cheating the process. And that is the important part when we start talking about health, when we start talking about getting somebody to that place where they have vitality and are truly living. It's the process, and you've got to fall in love with that process and that process of just doing things day in and day out. And that's how you grow and you build and you become much better at what you're doing. But if we try to cheat it, if we try to rush through, we try to lose a bunch of weight in a month or anything that is going to cheat the process, we're not going to have the success. We're not going to get to that place where we get that vitality and we get that overall, oh my gosh, I've arrived, I'm healthy. If I do what I need to do now, I'm going to stay at this level. And if I keep working like I am, because so many people want to cheat the process. So many people want to jump and they want to take the magic pill. They want to take the magic supplement. They want to do the magic diet. I look back, my mom, she did a grapefruit diet. I don't even know what that means. I need to Google that at some point, but she did a grapefruit diet when I was a kid. People do all kinds of different things to try to cheat the process. And being healthy is a process, just like learning something new, learning a new skill. If you're taking singing lessons or guitar lessons or whatever it is, you've got to put in the work. You've got to put in that time, that energy, that repetition. This morning, I'm going through a gut cleanse, so I made my food. I made my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner, and those are already already prepared. It was quick, it was easy, but I'm ready and I know what's coming, and I'm gonna just move my feet every single day, time and time again, just like doing my morning routine. And if you guys aren't doing a morning routine, check out videos. We've got a bunch on morning routines. It's crucial, but you do it today and you do it tomorrow and you do it the next day. Just like I posted over the weekend on a research showing that exercise, if you get less than 5,000 steps in one day, the next day you're going to be a whole lot less likely to burn and metabolize fat. So you're not going to be able to burn that fat if you're not getting enough movement. So what do? You got to get movement. But all of that is part of moving your feet and being part of the process. So if you guys truly want to be healthy, if you truly want to get your life back and get that vitality and have that vitality 20 years from now, make it a process, make it a daily routine, and just something that you do, that you go for that walk, you do the exercise, you plan your meals, you focus on what you're eating, you think about what your brain is doing. Because remember, it's not just what you're eating, but it's what you're eating mentally is crucial as well. So you've got to guard what you're listening to, guard what you're watching, guard what you're reading. Those things all have an impact on your body, on your brain, on your health. You've got to stay consistent with those things. So I just really encourage you guys to start thinking about health as a process, and that by falling in love with that process of getting to health is going to be the most important thing that you can do to ultimately achieve what you want. So keep with it, watch our videos, stay on task. If you've got questions at all, pop those down below. Otherwise, love seeing all you guys out there. Make it a great day and stay present in the process and fall in love with that process. So good to see you guys. Take care.